Hello guys, in this video I will show you the YouTube Shorts monetization method to make anywhere from 100 to $500 every single day with YouTube Shorts as a beginner in 2022. And I also want to let you know that this is actually for everybody. It doesn't matter how many subscribers you have, it doesn't matter how many views you get, and you don't need to be the YouTube famous in order to make this work. And if you preview that, I will be showing you some channels that literally started a couple of months ago with 0 subscriber and are now already over 1 million subscriber channel that went from having $0 and making $0 to now making over 500 every single day in pure passive income. If you are new here, I post videos about make money online and how to build an online business. So if you want to learn all of that for absolutely free, then click the subscribe button down below and let us begin with the full step-by-step tutorial now. For those maybe don't even know what YouTube Shorts actually are, well, YouTube Shorts are the YouTube version of TikTok. So short vertical videos that are up to 60 seconds long and they are fairly evicted. YouTube Shorts have pulled out over 5 trillion views over the past couple of months according to the CEO of YouTube. So YouTube Shorts can actually be pretty decent way of growing a brand new channel from scratch. It's actually the easiest way and the fastest way that you can grow on YouTube. It's through YouTube Shorts. But unfortunately, YouTube $100 million YouTube Shorts one is not the best way. If you monetize those videos, in fact, even according to the CEO of the YouTube, you would need around 600 million views to get just 10,000, which is incredibly stupid. So I actually want to show you an alternative way. If you make money with YouTube Shorts, so you don't need to have 600 million views to make some decent amount of money. But what I am about to show you can literally make you a lot of more even you have like 100 times less views. So stay tuned for that, and here are the couple of successful examples. This channel is called the Vlog Squad World. They are actually reposting someone else's TikTok. They are not even being that creative with title, and they are doing that every single day. Every single day they will just repost a couple of tech talks on their account. And so far they have gotten 600,000 subscribers. Let's check out their older video. Their older video was posted 1 year ago, so this channel went from zero. If you over 300,000 subscribers in 1 year, and this is like the least and the worst performing channel which I am about to show you today. According to Social Blade, they will pulling over the 5 million view every single month, and if they are just relying on other revenue, they might be making hundred or few $100, which is like the super bad. But what I am about to show you and what they are actually doing is making them hundred of dollars every single day. It has nothing to do with the revenue. And by the way, you are gonna be able to see that Social Blade, which is the tool that I personally use to see someone analytics. And it is absolutely free. You can also do the same thing on Social Blade, and I am gonna estimate that they are making like 20 a month from this channel. But that is not true because YouTube Shorts have a really low CPM. In fact, they make just penny, which obviously doesn't work with this estimation, which is the estimation that they are making around $4 per 1000 views. But obviously they are not, so this is the wrong estimate. Don't look at this. This is like really wrong. They are not making $20,000 not revenue, but they are making a lot more with I am about to show you later on the second channel. Our list is the viral blog, and this channel actually went from 0 to over a million subscribers in less than a year. And they are also re-uploading someone else's tech talk. So these are like 20 to 30-second long videos that this person is not even recording themselves. So the owner of this channel is not showing their faces in front of the camera. They are not filming anything and they are not editing anything, and that's why they can literally post like 5 shots even every single day and grow so fast because they are not the one recording those YouTube shots, and it doesn't literally cost them anything to produce the content, so that's why it actually easy for them. Now if you open up and we sort by their latest video, you can see their oldest video. Excuse me, you are gonna be able to see their very first videos was posted 1 year ago, and if you go to the about section, you can see that they have just started their channel in February 2020 through 2021. So February 2021, that's when they actually created a channel. So they joined YouTube last year, and if you open up their first video was actually posted on the same day. If you open up, then you go to the view the description, you can see that this was actually posted on the day when they actually created the channel. So the same day this video was posted, and they immediately started growing because that video, even the first video that they posted on their channel, got thought of it to use it, got 160 million views even though it was the first video on their channel. And so now they went from 0 to over a million subscribers, and now they are making over $500 every single day. So just imagine started a channel today, and then in the next 6 months you are already at like 100 to 300 every single day just from one channel. And this literally takes a less than 10 minutes a day of work, and I am about to explain to you exactly how if you view it. And you can also open up their own social blade, which estimates they are now making around 140,000 views every single month. The next channel on our list is Viral Tech Talk. They are also doing the same thing. They are re-uploading someone else's TikTok, someone else shorts, and they are pulling in a lot of views. They just started their channel last year as well, and you can see 1 year ago they posted this video which got 168,000 views, nothing compared to this previous one which got 160 million views. That these videos are kind of random, but I am going to show you how you can focus in the most trending video so you can get the best result possible. So stay tuned for that. You can see that they are also started their channel over a year ago. One of the most of the half of the year they just started their channel. They already have half of the million subscribers, making over $500 every single day, and putting almost 20 million views every single month. 20 million people see the video. Again, the owner of the channel is not showing their face. They are not making any video. They are not recording anything yet. They are making over 500 every single day. The next video, then the next channel on our list is going to be the Viral Queens, which is also reposting the someone else TikTok, and so they are taking someone else TikTok video, they upload them with their own YouTube channel, they get a bunch of view. And if you go to the about section of this channel, you are going to be able to see that they are also started their channel in February 2021. And you can see, if you are wondering like Dave's, there has got to be some copyright infringement with this. Well, you just gotta put, you are just gonna credit the person first of all, so you wanna credit a person from home you are taking those video. As you can see, they are always credit the person, and they also have an email where if the person is mad with you putting their video on YouTube, they can just email you and can tell you they remove the video, and you can just remove it. And that is because, but in 99% of the cases people are gonna to satisfy that you are re-uploading their content on the YouTube, because you are expanding or they are rich for a free, like you are re-uploading their content on a different platform where more people are gonna be able to see those videos, and you are doing that free of charge, and so you are not charging that person anything. So they are gonna be thankful that you are growing their brand without even them having to pay you or anything like that. So that's why this model actually works so well. And these guys actually have almost a million subscribers, so in less than a year they went through almost a million subscribers, and now they are pulling over 10 million views every single month. and that allow themselves anywhere $500 to $1,000 every single day. Before I show you how to actually monetize these videos, let's talk about how to actually create a channel like this. Because without a channel like this and without those views, you won't be able to use the YouTube Shorts monetization method, which I am about to share with you in this video. So let's talk about the content creation. Well, if you want to start the same channel that re-uploads TikTok and the Instagram reel, all you gotta do is either open up the fake Instagram reels, and if you want to go with the TikTok, for example, you will need to go over tiktok.com or just install their really addictive app onto our smartphone devices. And once you do, they are going to be able to find a trending video by searching for the hashtag for your page. And so you want to be type in FYP and then you want to search for the hashtag, and that's going to show you all of these viral accounts and viral videos. You can go through the top videos right over here. You can go through the video. You will need to log in, so it's just asking me to log into once again. When you log in, it's going to show you the most viral video right now, and then what you go to the simply do is open up one of those video, and then you can copy the link of this video. So the copy the link, all you gotta do is just press copy link right over here, and then you will need to proceed to the Google and search for TikTok downloader, and that's gonna show you all of these different downloader and the different app that you can use to download those TikToks for completely free. So you just go to find talk a video that is trending, and then go over the Google, you search for a TikTok download, and you open up, for example, this one. This is the snack tip app, and then you paste that link inside of this box, and you then press download, and then in the couple of minutes that video is going to be your computer. So I cannot download this, and here you can see that this video is on my computer and is already to be uploaded to YouTube. Now what I can do is that I can just credit person. I just say that this case this is the username, so I can say video by, and then I can credit this person because they own this video, and I can pretty much just re-upload it into my own YouTube channel has the YouTube short. So that's the entire process. That is exactly how viral queens are doing this. While TikTok, all these channels that I showed you previously, that is exactly how they are doing it. That's why they can post like 5 to 10 videos every single day, and that not get burned out because this process takes less than 20 seconds. Go to the TikTok or Instagram reel, find a nice video, copy its link, and then download it with just one click of button, and then you can just re-upload it, and that's it. You don't have to create a thumbnail, you don't have to create a description, you don't have to worry about tags or anything like that. You just re-upload it on your YouTube channel and credit the owner of this video. So that's the entire process around creating a channel like that. And if you are about being consistent with it and you are posting regular like 5 to 10 videos a day, 5 to 10 videos every single day, you are being consistent with it, which is not that hard, because here you can see that this will do like the entire process less than 10 minutes. So 10 minutes a day is all that it takes. So if you can stay consistent with spending 10 minutes a day on your channel, after a couple of months, I can almost guarantee that some of the videos will go viral, and I can almost guarantee that your channel will grow exponentially. But if you just start posting a random TikToks and a random shorts and you don't get any result the first 2 weeks or a first month, and your first 2 months, and you are like, oh, this doesn't work, and you give up, then obviously you are not gonna make any money. That's why online business is so tricky. You actually have to trick with it for a long term if you want to see the result, and most of the people are not willing to stick with the strategy for a long term. A lot of the people just give up and jump into something else, and then obviously it doesn't work out for them. So how are all of these guys monetizing these YouTube channels? Because as I said, they are not making any money from other revenue. They are making only the pennies from ad revenue, even though they are pulling millions of views. So how are they monetizing these channels? Well, the way they are monetizing these channels is through a brand deal sponsorship and community post. If you actually go through the community post of any of these channel, you are gonna be to able to see that they are promoting something different every single day. They will post a different community post, and the people are paying them hundred of dollar. In the fact, for my channel that I run, like my YouTube automation channel, that will charge anywhere from 500 to 1500 per community post. So sometime I get paid over $1,000 where one single community post, and these guys have the channel that are like over a million subscribers, so they can also charge anywhere from 500 to 1500 per community post. And since they are getting one community post every single day, that means they are making anywhere from 500 to $1,000 every single day from a single YouTube channel. So for example, in this case I could take literally less than a year to go from zero. If you are making almost $1,000 every single day, and it's all through the brand deal sponsorship and these community posts, the way that they work is you just put your email address in the about section. That's what I personally do as well for my faceless YouTube automation channels. I just put my email in the about section of those channels. Then when someone notices that your channel is growing, you will immediately start getting a tons of email from the brand and the companies trying to sponsor your videos, and they will be competing who's going to pay you the more just to post onto your own through your YouTube channel, because obviously you are getting a lot of eyeball in the case of 10 million views every single month. That's like the insane number of the people, so they are willing to pay out to a lot of money if you advertise on your channel. And that's how this was. This is the best way so you can actually monetize YouTube Shorts 2022, and you can open as many of these channels, and each of them will be posting some community posts, some sponsored community posts, as you can see, promoting apps and promoting different channels and the website and whatnot, and they are all charging 100 if not a thousand of dollar per each of those community posts. So the entire process is actually pretty simple. It just takes some time to build up the momentum, and it just takes some time to start seeing the result. But the process, it takes you less than 20 seconds to download the video from TikTok or Instagram Read, upload it to your channel, credit the person, credit the owner of the video in the video itself or in the description of the video. Just start posting 5 to 10 videos every single day on your channel. Add your email address in the about section like a new business's email address where people can reach out to you, and when they start reaching out, just charge them hundreds of dollars per community post. It is relatively easy and the simple business model. Once again, you just takes time and patience. So I really hope you learned something new in this video. Once again, my name is Yali Raj and I post video about making money online businesses, and if that's something you want to learn for absolutely free, then make sure you are subscribed to this YouTube channel, Get E-commerce, with the bell notification on, and make sure to drop a like down button below, and I will see you guys in my next video.